Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. This is the second part for Angular 12 series. In this video, we will learn that how we can set up and install our Angular application. So let's start with the points. First of all, we will install Node and npm. So whenever we will install our Node setup, npm will automatically install. So we don't need to download and install specially for npm. After that, we will install Angular CLI, and with the Angular CLI, we will install our first Angular application also. So here you may have a question, what is the difference between Angular CLI and the Angular app? See, Angular application is a complete framework. Here we will write our code and build our application and all, right? Angular CLI is a command line tool that help us to develop that Angular application. How it can help? It have lots of command like for create application, run application, build application, for creating component modules and much more. Even we can create a separate video for Angular CLI so that we can learn all commands, but for a moment we need only 2 or 3 commands. So I will show you and tell you that what commands we need to create Angular application and what command we need to run the our Angular application. And at the last we will discuss 3 interview questions related to that video. Now let's go to the nodejs.org and download the setup. So here we have two setup, one is the 14 and another one is the 16 version. Just go with the recommended, which is the 14. So let's download it. It will take some time to download it. Till now I can tell you that this is for the Windows operating system. If you are using Mac or Ubuntu, then just go to the download option, and from here you can download the setup according to your operating system, right? So now let's use here Control and J and wait for downloading the Angular setup. After that we will install it. Alright, so just go to the download folder, and from here we can double click on the setup and it will just launch a pop-up. From here we can just go with the flow like next. After that, see, I already installed the Node.js, that's why it will just asking me to change, repair or remove. But in your case there will be a checkbox with the agreement of installation. You can just check it and just select the next option. After that we don't need these additional tools, so we can just we don't need to check this checkbox, right? Let's go to the next, and here you will find a install option. I have change option, right? So it will take some few moments according to your computer configuration and RAM and all. So after that we can just close it. After that, let's open the new and fresh command line and just check the Node.js version, node -v. Here you can see that 14.17.0 is installed. Perfect. And let's check npm -v, because npm is also installed with the node. And here you can see that 16.14.13, this is also working fine. So we can close it, and let's jump on. We can just close these two tabs also, and let's jump on the second part. So how we can install the Angular CLI? For that, let's Google here Angular CLI, and let's go to the official website. Here you can find all commands for Angular CLI, but we need only some commands like for installation and for create new project and run it and all, right? So these three, and fourth one is that. So we need only 4 commands for a moment. So let's run this command. Here you might have again a question that where we have to run this command, in any specific folder or in the C directory, where? See, you can run this command anywhere, because we are using -g with that command. That means we are installing Angular CLI globally in our system. So you can run this command anywhere in your computer. So just simply use here npm install -g @angular/CLI, and with that command we are able to install Angular CLI. So let's wait for a moment. So we are done with the Angular CLI. This is installed now. So how we can check it version? So just simply use here ng version, and it will tell you the current version of your Angular CLI, right? ng command is provided by the Angular CLI, right? So every command that we will use in the Angular, like ng help, ng generate, ng new, ng serve, they all are provided by the Angular CLI that we just installed here, right? So let's wait for a moment. Okay, so here you can see that Angular architecture, core, semantics and Angular, everything is with the 12 version, so everything is fine. Now we can close this command line and we can install our first application. So just go with the folder where you want to install your first application. So I am making a folder here with the name of Angular Tut, as I am creating the Vue Tut, TS, React Tut and all, right? And here let's open again command line and just simply use here ng. Here you can see that we are also using the ng command, right? Because this is provided by the Angular CLI. Ng new and our application name. So my application name, let's say blog. We can just simply run this command. Now it will ask some questions like I want to install the routing, I want to use the CSS and all. So you can choose. For a moment I don't need routing, so I can just simply use here n. After that it will ask me that I want to use the CSS and all, so I just need CSS only for a moment and we can just enter it. Now it just created some files and installing the Node.js packages, so npm packages. So we can wait for a moment again and our setup will be here. Here you can see that Node.js, all files are created here. Actually it's creating the npm node modules folder and installing the old package. So our Angular application is also installed. So what we can do here now, we can just go to the blog folder like this and we can open it in our Visual Studio Code editor also. If you are using any other code editor, then code.command will not gonna work. Otherwise, if you are using Visual Studio Code, just use this command. Your project will be open inside Visual Studio Code, right? So let's check the version of your project first of all. Here you can see that inside package.json, you can see that everything is version 12 with the Angular animation, compiler, common, core, form, everything is with the 12th version. That's great. So now let's run our project with ng serve command, right? And ng serve command is also provided with the Angular command line tool, which is Angular CLI, right? So it will take some time because we are running that command first time. After that we are able to check our project on a browser also. Till that time we can discuss our interview question. So first question is that how you can check your command line version, or you can say that Angular command line tool version. So for that, just go to the command line and you can simply check here ng version and it will give you the version name, as I already told you in the during this video, right? So first question is that. Second question is that can we use two Node.js version in our same project? Yes, we can do it, but how? See, for that you have to use here NVM, which is Node Version Manager. You can use this tool to set the two versions at the same time in your system. And the next question, which is very important, that okay, we can just close that one, we don't need that, right? Our project is here. So the last question is, and this is very important, as you can see that we are installed our latest version of Angular. So let's say you want to install any specific version like Angular 11 or 10, that how you can install it. So there is a two way to install it. First thing, what you can do, you can just put your version directly here, like Angular 11, right, with the all packages, and after that you can run npm install. So it will convert your all packages with the lower version, with the Angular 11 or whatever version you are setting up here. And the second, this is actually not a genuine way. The second way is you can just degrade the version of your ng command line. So here you can see that our Angular command line version is Angular 12, right? But how you can install Angular 11 or Angular 10? Because if you are able to install the Angular 10, Angular CLI tool 10 or 11, that will automatically create your Angular 11 or the defined version with your project. So how we can do it? For that you can just simply use here the command which is npm install -g @Angular CLI, right? First of all you have to uninstall the current version. After that you can use here @Angular CLI and specific version. Let's say you just want to install the 11.0.0, then you can just put this version and your Angular CLI 11 will be installed. And after that, whenever you will create ng new and your project name, it will give you the specific version like 11 or 10, whatever you put with the Angular CLI, right? And let's see that our project is running or not. Yes, now it just started, because maybe I just forget to put the enter and all. Project is compiled now, and we can run it on a localhost 4200. So let's check here, is it working fine or not. 4200, and here you can see that our application is installed and this is working great. So next command is ng generate component, but we will learn it later. So in next video I will tell you what is the code flow, and how actually Angular code is actually working. First file, what first file will be run, and after that we will understand complete file and folder structure and all, right? So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.